This is Artful Angels, and you're watching our totally original game, where you try to clear the board while avoiding the mines. We call it BugSweeper. Okay, this is basically Minesweeper, but with a twist. First of all, we completely reimagined how the game is played by making it multiplayer. Just start a game and send the invite code to a friend. Secondly, dark mode. We're both Discord users and developers, so we obviously need a dark mode, and it automatically syncs with your system theme, so you don't have to do anything to activate it. Wait a second, what does that message do? It seems like the delete command opened a random square that wasn't a mine, which can be useful if you ever get stuck. Some people might say, oh no, you forgot to sanitize your user inputs. But we at Artful Angels are way too optimistic to be defeated by simple bugs. So we just said, you know what? It's a feature, not a bug. For this project, we used Django channels and Redis as our backend, Vue.js as our frontend, and Long9 as fuel. On another note, something often neglected when discussing a completed project is all the steps it took to get there. For us, that meant keeping in touch and making sure that everyone was on board with what the next steps were. During the jam, we sent thousands of messages and held regular meetings in voice chats. Combined with tools like Doodleful scheduling meetings and Miro boards for brainstorming and keeping track of ideas, I think we did a pretty good job at this. Of course, the path is never straightforward. For example, a team member took on the task of implementing the game logic, but made a command line game which couldn't be integrated into the project. That's when we went back to the drawing board and made a flowchart outlining the logic of the game. This was the glue that we needed in order to integrate the game logic with the API and the front end. And this. Yeah, we don't talk about this. Even though the jam is over, a few of us are eager to keep developing this game. We think BugSweeper builds on a great idea, and hope what we produce during the jam will work not only as a base to build upon, but as a proof of concept. Thanks to the events team at Python Discord for making this event possible, and good luck to the other teams. We're looking forward to seeing what you all created. If you want to play the game yourself, we're hosting it at bugsweeper.godi.se. See you there.